Noise pollution. Noise pollution. The term noise is derived from the Latin word nausea, referring to the feeling of sickness in the stomach with an urge to vomit. Any unpleasant and unwanted sound is considered as noise. It is one form of pollution. Noise pollution can be defined as unwanted or offensive sounds that unreasonably intrude into our daily activities. The noise dumped into the atmosphere by the industries due to the functioning of machineries form the industrial sources. On the other hand, the noise associated with urban development, road, air and rail transport, loudspeakers, radio and television stations, construction sites. Sound is measured by decibel, which is named after Sir Alfred Bell. Noise is also partially responsible for the increased consumption of alcohol, drugs, tranquilizers and sleeping pills. Sound waves travel through our ear to the cochlea. The pressure waves travel through this structure, which is full of fibers within. As the waves moves along from the fiber with the frequency, the energy is released. There is hair cells next to the fiber. When the fibers resonate, they cause the hair cells to move, which then sends signal to the cochlea and the brain, which give rise to the irreversible hearing loss.